What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We have a beautiful day in Washington. Usually it's rainy and ugly, but today we are blessed, and it happens to be a very special day. So today we are picking up Magnus's AE86 hatch. If you guys are unfamiliar with the situation with the two AE86 hatches that Magnus has, I'll give you a little bust down right now. So about 2 years ago, when Magnus rod knocked his 240SX coupe,
yeah. Oh shit! It's knocking hard, bro.
So that was rod knocked. He had no car. He saved up a bunch of money, and instead of swapping the engine, he bought a new car just because he wanted something reliable. He wanted something that wasn't going to break on him. So he sent me this ad of this AE86 Hachiharuku. It was matte black, and it was super clean, and apparently it had a rebuilt engine. So we went and checked it out at like midnight. I remember I had like my white 240SX. We pulled up. It was freezing. It was probably around this time of year, but it wasn't sunny. It was freezing. Here's where it gets kind of ugly. So we're on the way home. Magnus had no heat in the car. He had frozen ice along the whole windshield. It was dangerous. So we were on the way home. We're going over the bridge, and there's like a dip on a bridge. You know, any bridge has like a dip to go on the bridge. And when he went on that dip, something with the timing or something must have just threw the engine off, and then the valves just started clapping so loud. He eventually made it home, and then he turned on the engine and showed me when I got there, and this was like at like midnight or 1 a.m. and we were both listening to it, and it was horrible. So ever since then, that was probably about 2.5 years ago, he hasn't touched it. If you guys have been following the channel for like about a year, you guys will remember that I got a super clean one owner Mazda Miata from Magnus's grandpa, and in that video we actually went to the side of his grandpa's house, and there lied the AE86. Speaking of Miatas, hardtop NA right there, his grandpa, super mint frickin' NA Miata. So for Magnus's second AE86, he actually got that one as a daily, another time as a daily, and he was driving it around. It was beautiful. He let his friend drive it, and he hopped a curb, and it bent a bunch of stuff. So all that leads to today. We are picking up the black AE86, and then we will be taking it to Magnus's house, and then starting our transformation on making that car beautiful again. Alright, here's Magnus's whip of choice. Got the good old Chevy, the U-Haul. I'm digging it. Alright, we made it.
There's the car.
Here is the AE86. For the most part, she's really clean. She doesn't have any body damage or anything. She's got these weird little barrel keys, but I don't know, that's weird. 14-inch rims, those are cool. Got the rig right here, gonna load her up, but the lip is dug into the ground. So we have to get the jack out, gotta jack her up a little bit, and then gotta put the new wheels on that Magnus has had from his other 8.6. Oh my goodness, there's a freaking crunchiest spider webs ever underneath that. Here, you open the door. Oh, it hasn't been opened in a long time. Huh? Oh my goodness. Right there, spiders. There's a spider crawling out right there, dude. Look at that thing. Oh man. This was some spider home. Look, dude, there's a yellow like banana spider. Interior is pretty clean. It's got a full interior with the carpet. Wow. I didn't realize there was carpet in this thing. I thought this was a little bit more gutted.
Full interior.
Full interior. And this wing. I don't know what kind of wing this is, but it's super cool. Perfect candidate to be wrapped. Body's super clean. So we're gonna get going on getting the wheels on here, getting it onto this little driveway, and then getting it onto the trailer. Keep it going. All right. One more pull. All right. A little bit more. And she's off.
Let me get it pointed this way a little bit more.
Okay.
She was in gear.
It was in gear.
Oh, was it in gear?
Yeah.
Only some of the way. It was a piece of trash transmission anyway.
Just like that, we're taking the 86 out of retirement. Oh. How you doing? I'm hungry, dude.
I'm sitting on a box.
I thought it was a bucket. Alright, we made it back to Magnus's. Finally, the black 86 will meet the blue 86. What a beautiful day. We got both 86s in the driveway. So yeah, this one's on all 4 jack stands. Magnus is working on, I think, pulling the engine out of this one. So I don't want to say too much because I don't really know, but I believe that this engine is coming out of this one and it's going to be put into there because this engine is good, and then this chassis is a lot cleaner than this one because obviously this one was crashed a little bit. So the clean Mama Jama will be getting the kooky headlights, and I think that's it. It has a little Toyota on the grill. I kind of like that, but yeah, I like this one. Even though that this is covered in spider webs and probably has about a pound of mold on the inside. Yeah, it's his first 86 and I think this is the one that he wants to stick with. So I think that's going to be it. Stay tuned for this build. This is going to be, I guess, going from 0 to 100. It's pretty much a piece of crap right here. The transmission is useless, engine is useless, suspension, he has new suspension for it. So this thing is going to be real cool real soon. So I hope you guys like this video. It might be a little short one, but know that we are really getting the bust down on these 2 cars very, very soon. And yeah, this car, like I just said, it's going to be a whole different car soon. We're going to be wrapping it. We're going to be making it super nice. We're basically going to be restoring it because the whole interior needs to come out, and because the blue car interior is a lot nicer than that. So I believe he's putting the interior from this car into the black one. So if you guys like the AE86 content, make sure you guys smash the like button and also subscribe if you guys haven't. But yeah, I think that's going to be it, guys, and peace out. Stay tuned for part 2 where we rip out all the interior of this one and possibly pull the engine out of this one. Peace. Have a good night.